Have you ever wondered if the foods you eat could protect your brain and keep your memory sharp as you age? The Mind Diet is a robust, science-backed eating plan designed to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and cognitive decline. But how does it work, and what food should you eat? I'll show you how to apply the Mind Diet to your daily routine for better brain health. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a simple, brain-boosting meal plan that's both easy and delicious. The Mind Diet is a robust, science-backed eating plan that combines the best of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, explicitly focusing on brain health. It focuses on foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that support brain function and reduce inflammation. At the same time, it limits foods that can contribute to brain aging, like trans fat and processed sugar. The best thing is that it's not complicated or restrictive, so it can be easily incorporated into your daily life. Next, we'll break down exactly what foods to eat and what to limit to keep your brain sharp and your memory strong. So how exactly does the Mind Diet help protect your brain? It all comes down to powerful, brain-boosting nutrients that fight aging and keep your mind sharp. First, this diet contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods that help protect brain cells from damage. As we age, oxidative stress and inflammation can accelerate cognitive decline, but foods such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts help slow this process. Next, it supports blood flow to the brain, which is crucial for keeping neurons healthy and functioning at their best. Nutrient-dense foods like whole grains and olive oil help improve circulation, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients where they're needed most. Finally, the Mind Diet provides neuroprotective nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and polyphenols, all essential for strengthening memory, improving focus, and even reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Fatty fish, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil are some of the best sources of these brain-boosting compounds. Next, let's break down exactly what foods to eat and what to avoid. If you want to keep your brain sharp, these 10 powerhouse foods should be a regular part of your diet. Let's break them down one by one. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and others are packed with brain-protective vitamins like folate and vitamin K that can be demonstrated to slow mental decline. Berries. Strawberries and blueberries are antioxidant-dense berries that fight oxidative stress and may even slow down brain aging. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, and other nuts provide healthy fats and vitamin E, which help protect memory and cognitive function. Olive oil. A staple in the Mediterranean diet, extra virgin olive oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide sustained energy and support brain function by checking blood sugar levels. Fish, salmon, sardines, and other fatty fish are replete with omega-3s, essential for brain health, memory, and reducing inflammation. Beans. These plant-based powerhouses offer fiber and protein that support long-lasting energy and stable blood sugar, great for brain function. Poultry. Lean meats like chicken and turkey contain B vitamins, crucial for neurotransmitter function and better brain signaling. Wine in moderation. Red wine contains resveratrol, a compound that may protect brain cells. For the best benefits, keep it to 1 glass per day. Dark chocolate. This is a fun bonus. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids which have been linked to better memory and brain function. The Mind Diet isn't just about what you should eat. It also highlights foods to limit for better brain health. While you don't have to eliminate them completely, cutting back on these 5 foods can help protect cognitive function. Red meat, mainly processed varieties, can increase inflammation when consumed in excess. While an occasional serving is fine, focusing on lean proteins like fish and poultry is a better choice. Butter and margarine are rich in saturated fats, which are detrimental to brain health. Instead, opt for olive oil, which provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Cheese is another food to enjoy in moderation. While it contains some beneficial nutrients, excessive consumption may not support brain health or other Mind Diet foods. Fried and fast foods are some of the worst offenders regarding inflammation and cognitive decline. These ultra-processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats and preservatives that can negatively impact brain function. Cutting back on these foods and replacing them with healthier alternatives can go a long way in supporting long-term brain health. Small, simple swaps can make a significant impact over time. Aim for at least 3 servings of leafy greens per week. Add spinach to your morning eggs, or toss some kale into a smoothie. Instead of using butter to heat, use olive oil, which is rich in brain and heart-healthy fats. Incorporate at least 2 servings of fish per week, especially fatty fish like salmon or sardines, which provide essential omega-3s for brain function. Instead of consuming processed snack foods, opt for nuts and berries. Walnuts and blueberries are great for supporting memory and brain function. By implementing these simple changes, you'll naturally follow the MIND diet without deprivation. The aim is to establish habits for long-term brain health and healthy aging. These simple steps will take you there. Eating for brain health can be simple and delicious. Here's a sample meal plan packed with MIND diet-approved foods to keep your brain sharp and your body energized. For breakfast, start with oatmeal topped with walnuts and blueberries. The fiber-rich oats provide steady energy, while walnuts and blueberries deliver potent antioxidants and brain-boosting nutrients. At lunch, enjoy grilled salmon with quinoa and sautéed spinach. The omega-3s in salmon support cognitive function, while quinoa provides sustained energy and leafy greens help slow mental decline. Enjoy a handful of almonds and a square of dark chocolate for an afternoon snack. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which supports memory, while dark chocolate contains flavonoids that may enhance brain function. For dinner, grilled chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and a side salad. The lean protein helps neurotransmitter function, while sweet potatoes offer brain-friendly complex carbs. The salad adds an extra dose of leafy greens. This meal plan is easy, nutritious, and packed with brain-boosting ingredients, perfect for supporting long-term cognitive health. The MIND diet is a simple, flexible way to protect brain health and support long-term cognitive function. Eating nutrient-dense foods such as leafy greens, berries, nuts, olive oil, and fish can enhance brain function and lower the risk of decline. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite brain-boosting food? If you find this helpful video, please like it and subscribe for more science-based health tips and support. More nutrition information is on my website, as shown in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the following video, my friend.